Hello friends, this is part 2 of the crochet granny square earring video. So in this video we will work with the second color thread. We will start with a slip knot and then we will attach this second color thread to the crochet chain space of the previous row, and then we will add 2 more chains, so totally 3 chains will be there. You can see here that I have attached the slip knot with the help of a single crochet stitch, and it's 3 chain in total, and then I am going to do 2 more double crochets in that space. In this process you will also see that I am hiding the end tails within the stitches. Now you see that you have a cluster of 3 double crochet. Now you chain 1 and then make a double crochet in the next chain space, and then 2 more double crochets to form a cluster of 3 double crochets. Now chain 2 and make 3 double crochets in the same chain space. Now chain 1 and move on to the next chain space and make a cluster of 3 double crochets, chain 2 and then 3 double crochets. Now chain 1 and repeat the same in the last space. That is 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. Now you chain 1, and we have made only 3 double crochets in the first chain space. So now what we are going to do is we are going to make 3 more double crochets in that chain space. Now the 3 double crochets are done. Now we have to make 2 chains. Once these 2 chains are done, you have to attach it to the top stitch of the 3 stitches which you have already made in the first instance. So this will close that row. Now we have attached with the help of a slip stitch. Now after this you have to pull the thread, and then you have to cut the yarn. Once this is done, we will have to do the next step, that is you have to stiffen this particular crochet work. I will stop this video here and we will see how to stiffen it and make it into a earring in the next part. Thank you. Enjoy watching.